In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress REST API cURL error 28 step by step. If you've been seeing a message like cURL error 28, operation timed out, in your site health screen, you're not alone. This error usually means your website is having trouble completing a request within the allowed time limit. The good news is, in most cases, it's very fixable. I'll walk you through the most common causes and how to solve them. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's get started. First, we need to confirm the issue using WordPress Site Health. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Tools and click on Site Health. Once you're on the Site Health page, look under the Status tab. If you're experiencing this issue, you'll likely see a critical error mentioning the REST API or a loopback request failure, along with cURL error 28. This page often gives you more detailed information about what's timing out, whether it's the REST API endpoint or a loopback request to your own site. Keep this tab open because it helps confirm whether the issue is resolved later. The second and most common cause is a plugin conflict. To test this, go to Plugins and then click on Installed Plugins. At the top, select all plugins using the checkbox. Choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and click Apply. This will temporarily disable all plugins on your site. Once they're deactivated, go back to Tools and then Site Health and refresh the page. If the cURL error 28 disappears, then you know a plugin was causing the timeout. You can then reactivate your plugins one by one, checking Site Health each time until the error comes back. The last plugin you activated is likely the culprit. At that point, you can look for an alternative plugin or contact the plugin developer for support. If the error still appears even after deactivating all plugins, the next step is to increase your PHP limits. Sometimes this error happens because your server doesn't have enough memory allocated, or the execution time is too low, causing requests to time out. You can increase the PHP memory limit and max execution time in your wp-config.php file or your .htaccess file. For example, in wp-config.php, you can add a line to increase the memory limit. You can also set a higher max execution time depending on your hosting environment. If you're not comfortable editing core files, log into your hosting control panel. Many hosting providers offer a PHP settings section where you can increase memory limit and max execution time with just a few clicks. After making these changes, save everything and check your site health page again. Another major cause of cURL error 28 is firewall restrictions. Your hosting provider may have a server-side firewall like Mod Security that blocks outgoing requests. Also, if you're using a security plugin such as WordFence or cURL, its firewall feature might be blocking legitimate REST API calls. To test this, temporarily disable the firewall feature inside your security plugin. Then revisit the site health page and see if the error is resolved. If you suspect it's server level, contact your hosting provider support team and ask them to check whether any firewall rules are blocking loopback or REST API requests. They can often whitelist the necessary request for you. After going through these steps, checking site health, deactivating plugins, increasing PHP limits, and reviewing firewall settings, most WordPress REST API cURL error 28 issues are resolved. Once the error is gone, make sure to reactivate any necessary plugins and re-enable security features carefully so your site remains protected. And that's it. You now know how to fix WordPress REST API cURL error 28 and get your site running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress fixes, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.